Don't eat too much, you will get diarrhea.
I search first. That's why I have a purpose to eat.
Very good. 大家好，我是阿 Sir。最近啊，季节到了，恩酱特别迷恋吃这种甘蔗。没有想到呀，他从来没有吃过这种甘蔗，在大街上看到以后呀，他就想尝试一下，没想到一次就上瘾了。现在每天我基本都出去给他买。恩酱，这个他已经吃了一半了，然后现在跟爱雪准备分着吃。Do you really like this one? Sweet corn,
Sweet cane.
sweet cane,
I don't know, sugar cane.
sugar cane. Yes. How do you feel about this one?
First impression is I don't know what is this. See? It's a circle and it looks like a small reddish cut. If you didn't explain me what's this, I don't know. I never know about this.
So basically, your first time to eat this fruits. Oh. Where you saw this one? Didn't sell in Korean?
Only one time I saw it's like a long stick and they put in the machine and make juice. Only like that.
But
The Chinatown in Korea, that one, in China. I saw.
oh, you only saw this in the Chinatown, and they only drink the juice, right?
And then that time was around summertime. Summertime, only one place to sell. That place, Chinatown.
Now it's the season. You can see a lot on the China. You can see a lot on the street. 现在恩酱很迷恋这个，每天都让我去买。然后爱雪也特别爱吃，可是吃这个可能会引起肠胃的一
This one
些
cannot eat.
不舒适。哦，that one cannot
Skin
eat.
cannot eat.
爱吃甘蔗的朋友们要注意，如果脾胃不是特别好的话，因为甘蔗是凉性的这个水果，吃多了会引起一些肚子上的问题、肠胃上的问题，会闹肚子的。Okay, now enjoy your sweet, not sweet, sugar cane. Don't eat too much, you will get diarrhea.
I search first. They clean the pipe, blood pipe. Is it reduce the cholesterol level? And second is it include the nutritious a lot. That's why I have a purpose to eat.
Very good.
The chewing feeling first really hard reddish. The feeling like the beverage covered by the capsule or something, and then when I chew off the hard part, and then suddenly juice comes out and then cover whole mouth.
Bump to your mouth.
Yes.
And really cold.
But it's not too cold. It's like less than ice cube, but still cool. 我爱吃甘蔗，真好吃。
Your Chinese improve a lot.
我爱吃甘蔗，我爱吃甘蔗。
我爱吃甘蔗。爱雪，我爱吃甘蔗。我爱吃甘蔗。恩酱，我爱吃甘蔗。我爱吃甘蔗。
我爱吃甘蔗。
Very good.
Why is not 我爱喝甘蔗？ It's
吃
喝。
吃 ，this is 吃，
It's not 喝。
这不是喝吗？喝 means the liquid in the cup, you drink it.
So
Even the 粥 you don't say 喝粥 we say 吃粥。
So 我爱吃甘蔗和我爱喝甘蔗，甘蔗果汁。哦，
Very good.
我希望大家
多吃甘蔗。
多吃甘蔗。嗷。